race number 3.
Thank you, partner Ira Herrera. Last call to place your bets. Only Doña Erica. Final call for your second winner take all. Friday night racing. Doña Erica. Now being brought forward. A little bit reluctant. Doña Erica. Horses in. Horses out. We have that chosen one. Pass to begin. Moving upon the outside. Power over. Down on the inside. Tak Tak Boy. Then followed by Doña Erica. And Star Turk is the early trailer. As they leave the straight, the chosen one. Moving upon the outside now is Power over. A length back in third. Tak Tak Boy. 7 lengths away for Doña Erica. Star Turk is by the rail. As they swing down the back, 3 and 3, fighting it out for the lead. Power over in the middle. Tak Tak Boy, sorry, outside. The chosen one is by the rail. Then 7 lengths away for Doña Erica and Star Turk. Tak Tak Boy takes the lead by about 3/4 of a length. The chosen one in second. 2 lengths away in third. Power over. Then followed by Doña Erica and Star Turk still racing in last. Tak Tak Boy by our head down on the inside. The chosen one. Power over in third. And here comes Doña Erica in third. Together is Star Turk. As they come down at the last 200. The chosen one is sorry outside. Down on the inside. Tak Tak Boy. Then here comes Doña Erica now coming closer in third. We've got the chosen one. Tak Tak Boy now takes the lead. Doña Erica is sorry outside. And finally it's Tak Tak Boy. Doña Erica is Star Turk.
Uno rin, Tak Tak Boy ang unang tumawid